Hi, welcome to datatrainer.net. Today we'll be going over the Excel average function. You can find the link in the link below. You'll find the sample as well as the sample sheet, as well as links to datatrainer.net. So, what is the average function? Let's first show you what's the wrong way to do it. So, let's say if I wanted to get the average of all these red squirrel sightings. You might do something like this. So say equals, open the parentheses to make sure you add everything. So it would be plus this one, plus this one, plus this one, plus this one. Then to get the average, I need to divide by the numbers. Then I'd count 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter 4. And now I've got the average sightings for all the regions. Now there's obviously, well, not obviously, but there's quite a few problems with this. Let's say, for instance, this was quite a long list and I miscounted and I said something like 3. It's still going to give me an answer, but it's the wrong answer because it should actually be divided by 4. Another issue is, for instance, if I inserted a subregion, so subregion B2, and I added it, see the average hasn't changed at all. So then there's another, so firstly, you might miss that there's additional regions being added. So let's say, for instance, I need to add it, and okay, where do I add it? It's maybe a bit of a mess again, so let's just say B4. Great. There. But now, it's still wrong because it's actually not divided by 4. It's now 5, so I must also remember to change that. See, there's so many multiple points at which this can go wrong. A much better way is just to use Excel's average function. So what you end up doing, let me just delete this. Sorry, so I'll just say equals. Then you start typing AV. This is average. You can click on that. Average. Now it's expecting which numbers do you want. Now you can add in individual numbers, but the best is just to drag the whole range. You can drag it just above the total and then close the parentheses. Now you see there's the correct number. So what it's doing is it's automatically summing the whole range and then dividing by how many numbers it counts. So let's say, for instance, now if I add a region C2, and let's say there was 50. See, this average has automatically changed. It's still counting the whole range and dividing by the correct number. So there you go, that is the average function. Now you can go ahead and do an exercise yourself. Here's for grey squirrel sightings. Try use the average function and then again add a few subregions or change or delete some even if you wish, and you'll see that the average always correctly calculates. Great, so that's the Excel average function.